Hey, what's up guys? Kyle K here with Fine Dining Photography. Welcome to our first video tutorial. Today we're gonna do some long exposure light painting photography. What I'm gonna do today too, I'm gonna do steel wool. I want to take it one step further. I want to draw a light up. So yeah, we're gonna play with fire. Play with fire. Make sure, remember, safety first. Okay, that's enough. Jeez, can't see anything. I've got a jumper and I've got a proper shoes, and yeah, because you don't want to get burned because it will spray straight onto your face, on your hair, and yeah, it really hurts. It burns and it hurts, or it depends on the lump, depends on the size of it that flies on your the lens on your body. And make sure you don't set anything on fire. I usually have a fire extinguisher with me whenever I'm doing steel wool. But in the last couple of days it has been raining like crazy, so outside is already wet, so I don't really have to worry about it. But whenever you play with fire, make sure safety first. Okay, so equipment wise, I've got my DSLR, whatever camera that can do manual exposure that gives you like 15-30 seconds exposure, a tripod and a shutter remote. Single zero or normal steel wool, and it just won't burn properly. So double zero is my choice. So we take a little bit of that out. Oh, and you can find this in your local hardware store. This is where I got it from. So you take a little bit out, shove it in your whisk. Not shove it in your ass, but shove it in the whisk. And then yeah, so basically you're just gonna light. When you're ready, you're just gonna light that up and yeah, just spin the hell out of it. And yeah, of course it's attached to a stringy. So it's attached to a long string. I'm standing like on the side, so my body is like, the side of my body is towards the camera. So when we spin it, and I'm just gonna walk around a half circle. Well, of course, it will be set on fire, and yeah, the steel wool is just gonna bounce everywhere. It's gonna be spectacular. So just gonna go half a circle, and then for the camera, when the camera capture, it will be just a full circle if you do it properly. But make sure you have a center point. It can be anything. Yeah, just a mark on the floor that guide yourself. Yeah, that makes it easier. So you got a car coming. 15-second exposure. See how that is. Perfect. Let's see. Yeah, we can start recording. So how was it before?
Yeah, it was good.
15 seconds, was that enough?
Oh, more than enough.
So the setting now is manual mode 15 second f8 and ISO 400, and the test show was actually pretty good.
Most importantly, protective gear. And if you don't want to be in the picture, you have to wear black, so you make sure yourself not visible in the picture. So yeah, because the camera can't see black. So I'm gonna light it, and then yeah, Jason is going to press the button for me, and yeah, let's do it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Oh wow, that's cool. Well, at least you can